If you got one of these single handle faucets, this one's a Moen, and the handle's wiggling around. Uh, you don't know if something broke off in there, if it's just loose, so I'll have to take it apart to find out. Before you do that, just make sure you got a stopper or rag or something you can shove in the drain hole there, uh, so you don't drop anything down the drain, because obviously if you do, you'll never see it again probably. So get the set screw out of the bottom of this handle. The set screw goes up through the bottom, and make sure you have the right size Allen wrench, otherwise you're going to strip that thing. But you got to take it all the way out. Some of them I think you can loosen, but if you're not sure, just take it completely out, set it aside, and then you can see where it goes up through the bottom there. Excuse me, and through a couple little compartments there, and holds the handle onto everything else real tight. So yeah, it shouldn't be wobbling around. Next piece would be that black piece there that's held on with a set screw in the middle of the valve there, and it looks like it's just loose. I don't see any chunks of plastic or broken pieces or anything like that. I think it's just loose. So tighten up that screw, and yeah, it moved 2 turns or more. So it was loose. Whether it worked loose or, whoever put it on didn't tighten it, I don't know. But just snug it up. You can put some thread, Loctite thread stuff on there if you want to. It shouldn't be necessary, though. So I think that was the problem. So just put it back together and snug everything up real tight. You don't have to crank on this stuff like a crazy person. Just tighten it till it's tight and then leave it alone. And there you have it. It shouldn't wobble like that, especially being brand new. So if you got one of these, might be worth just checking the screws. Okay, hope that helps.